Hello and welcome to Umma Locks. Are you a fabulous woman over 50 looking to upgrade your hairstyle with something modern, stylish, beautiful, and easy to maintain? In today's video, we are exploring stylish and trending Pixie cut hairstyles. They are perfect for older women who want to embrace confidence, timeless beauty, and grace. The Pixie cut is not just a haircut, it's a classy, chic, and incredibly versatile style. From soft layers that frame the face to edgier textured styles, there is a Pixie cut to suit every personalities and hair type. For women with grey or silver hair, a Pixie cut can enhance your natural color, bringing out your inner glow and elegance. If you prefer a bit of flair, consider adding subtle highlights, asymmetrical lines, or side-swept bangs to keep your look fresh and youthful. One of the best parts is Pixie cuts are easy to maintain, making them ideal for women who want to spend less time styling their hair and more time living life to the fullest. Whether you are embracing your natural beauty or reinventing your look, a stylish Pixie cut is a beautiful way to showcase your confidence at any age. hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Locks for more hairstyle inspirations, and share your favorite PC cut look in the comments below. You are never too old to feel bold, beautiful, and entirely you. Thank you for watching.